Yes, every day come, so I check everything. So before coming to my worker, what they are, what they will do. So I check everything. So if something missing, so before we can check, and after when they are coming, I say, okay, you take this one, you start this items. So I have to check everything. At each department I visit, I check.
Imtiaz Mughal is the CEO of TATA Surgical Ltd. He comes to his factory each day at 8 o'clock in the morning. He is always the first one to arrive and the last one to leave to make sure that everything is in order. Due to the time differences, he has to wait for orders from all over the world, even when his workers are off duty every day.
Yeah, because normally 5 o'clock is off. But because I am sitting here, because of I have a link with the European market, and we have to follow also our customers, reply to emails, phone calls, till maybe 7 or 8 sometime, because I have to follow my customers. So ask about the quality, next orders, deliveries. So we have to. I am supplying in Europe, like Germany, England, Holland, Belgium, Switzerland, France, Europe. So also South America, Brazil, Mexico, Chile, Peru, Australia, China. I'm trying to find customers because it's a very huge market. And 2 weeks ago, I get my CFDA certificate. So I have a plan to exhibit in China, but maybe not in May. Maybe next coming I will be exhibiting. So I'm producing general surgical instruments, scissors, forceps, not South, because I'm not don't have a customers in South Africa, because my main market in Europe at the moment, and also South America.
Chinese market has great potential opportunities for Mr. Mughal's surgical products. Recently, he has applied for the CFDA certificate, which is issued by China National Medical Products Administration.
Because I was exhibiting 3 times in China, but unfortunately, when I receive some people, they ask me, do you have a CFDA?
Right.
Yeah. So, because without what I realized, without CFDA, you cannot work, you cannot export in China. So I start to find the company who they handle CFDA. So I find is in China, Chinese companies. So I start negotiation with that company. So after they ask me some documents. We make a contract for CFDA license. So now I have my CFDA. China, there is not a big market because what the Chinese they buying from Pakistan, uh, that one is not a single use.
Right.
Yeah. Because they buy from Pakistan, but they re-export. Maybe they have a contract from some other companies, from South Africa, maybe from Europe, and they packed as per requirement from European buyers. They packed, they sterilize in China, and then they export to where there's a customer. They have a South African customers or maybe European customers. Because Chinese is a very huge market, very big market. They have a big demand. Itself, China, they use a lot of instruments. Lot of instruments. Yeah, that's why I get my CFDA to sell in China.
Okay.
Yeah, and maybe in future I make my own office in China. No, actually, they when you discuss with companies, they say it's not a big problem. Maybe 1 month or 2 months you will get, but sometimes the documents is not a complete.
Right.
So when you prepare the documents, so then it takes a longer. Otherwise, if you have a complete documents, maybe within 1 or 2 months you will get your CFDA. But if you don't have a complete document, because department they need a lot of documents, lot of drawings. Yeah, so you have to prepare all documents. Otherwise, you cannot get your CFDA. They just ask me the requirements, which documents they need for the department.
Okay.
So they ask us, so I prepare, we will send to them, and they translate, and then they go to the office. If they are missing, so then they say, okay, you ask again the documents. So for us it's normal to
Okay.
prepare the documents.
Despite the potential market,
Big problem for the visa. We cannot get a visa very easily, because if I want to go in China, I cannot go easily. I need to invitation from the buyers, and invitation not just for company invitation. They have to go some department for the attestations, and then. And you cannot also, when you get invitations, you cannot get a visa for longer. Maybe a few days, you just they give a visa. Because China is a very big market. If I want to, for example, if I want to go in China, in Shanghai, Yiwu, and other cities, I need some time, some days. But if I have a visa just for a few days, maybe I cannot visit, maybe in Shanghai. So I think so, if the embassy or the government of China, they allow to, a visa for longer, so then people can visit there, people can find the customers easily. Depends, if we are going to for exhibitions, and exhibition just for 3 days or 4 days, they give a visa for 5 days.